guess I could do this tribute later, like tomorrow.
Sure.
I got some good clips.
Today's the actual 30th anniversary?
Yeah, today is the actual, in case you're celebrating.
Auto might contribute to?
That is the right word. The question is...
Kidding me? Holy shit! Jesus!
Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god. Shit.
Platt's girlfriend, Elaine Boyce, and the children's birth certificates, which listed Ronald Platt and Elaine Boyce as the parents.
She gave no real explanation for that other than to say that when she got pregnant, she needed medical attention and had actually used Elaine Boyce's identity cards.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
What happened?
Oh my goodness!
What happened?
Accident right in front of us.
That's scary.
I know.
Let's go for the Delaware afternoon mixtape this weekend.
Oh shit!
I need right here. You know the Instagram right now at DJ Doc B. I gotta shout you out.
I can understand if it was based on it. What the hell was that all about?
He just ran that other truck straight off the road.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
With those two?
No, that one and the one that's in the guardrail back there. He ran him straight off the road.
Really?
Yes.
20s actually since the crew.